Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Learning Guitar. So, The Weeknd released a song recently. It's called Dancing in the Flames. No, you didn't miss that. And now we're gonna learn it on guitar. So, put the cape on there on the first fret. That's the easy scenario. And with that, we have a couple of chords to go over. So, let's take a look at them, starting with C first. Okay, so C goes third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Next chord is A minor. That goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have G next. That is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And the final chord is F. So you put a bar there on the first fret where you cover all strings with the index finger, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. So C, A minor, G, and F. That's what you need. And we're going to look at the strumming pattern. We have the C as the first chord, so grab that one. One round goes down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. Like this. That is one string round. So it starts with down, clap. Then it continues down, up, down. And then clap down. So if you put that together, it will be down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. And a couple of rounds goes like this. Okay, so there you have it. And now let's take a look at this pattern here. It's one main pattern that goes almost in the same way through the entire song. So you're gonna play C, 2 string rounds, and then A minor, 2 string rounds. You play that again, so C2 and A minor 2. You do it for 2 rounds. So C2, A minor 2, C2, A minor 2. Then you're gonna go to G, 2 string rounds, and F, 2 string rounds. And that is the end of one round of this main. So all in all, it will be C2, A minor 2, C2, A minor 2, G2, F2. And then you just roll that over and over again, almost through the entire song. Let's do one of these rounds together. Again, C2, and A minor 2. G2 and F2. And then over and over again. You're gonna do that till 2 minutes and 38 seconds into the song. There you have the bridge part that comes, and it goes just one down of the following chords: G, big pauses in between, then A minor. Pause and then G again with these kind of pauses, and then finally F. And after that F, you're gonna go back to play the main part: C2, A minor 2 for 2 rounds, and then G2, F2 for 1 round, over and over again till the very end. All right, so there you have it, The Weeknd's Dancing in the Flames. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to support me here on Gordon Guitar. Thank you so much, guys, and until next time, play tuned.